Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very common and frustrating issue: your webcam not working in the Google Chrome browser. Many people face this problem when trying to join online meetings, record videos, or use websites that require camera access. Sometimes Chrome can't detect the webcam at all, sometimes it shows a black screen, or the browser simply refuses to use the camera even though it works fine in other apps. The good news is that most of these issues can be fixed with a few simple checks and adjustments. So, in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make sure your webcam is properly set up, recognized by Windows, and fully allowed inside Chrome. Let's get started. Firstly, let's make sure the camera driver is correctly installed and enabled. Open Device Manager on your computer by right-clicking the Windows Start button and selecting Device Manager. Check that the camera is enabled. Right-click the camera device and see if it's listed as disabled. If it is, just enable it. After that, check if the camera works properly. If it doesn't, you can try updating the driver. Sometimes a corrupted driver can cause the webcam to stop working, and the best fix is to reinstall or update it. Right-click the camera device, select Update Driver, then choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Next, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your camera device and click Next, then wait for it to reinstall the driver. If a corrupted or missing driver was the issue, updating it should solve the problem. If it still doesn't work, then the issue might be related to Chrome settings. Open Google Chrome and go to the settings by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, and open Site Settings. From there, select Camera. Make sure the correct camera is selected in the drop-down menu. Also confirm that the option allowing sites to ask for camera access is turned on. If it's set to Don't allow sites to use your camera, that's likely the cause of the problem. Scroll down to see which sites you've allowed or blocked. If a site you need is blocked, change it to Allow so Chrome can access your webcam. This is often the main cause of the issue. After making these changes, test it out and see if it works now. If the camera still isn't working, you can try clearing site permissions. Open Chrome and go to the website where the camera isn't working. Click the lock icon next to the URL in the address bar, then select Site Settings. Look for the camera option in the list and set it to Ask or Allow. It's possible you accidentally blocked the camera when Chrome first requested permission, which could be causing the error. After making the change, close the tab and refresh the page. Chrome will now prompt you for camera access again, that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most webcam issues in Google Chrome. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets your webcam working again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.